everyone, it's Lou and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you how I got this ponytail inspired by the one and only Ariana Grande. But before we get right on into this video, I want you all to make sure that you go and hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know how you thought about the video. If you like tutorials, if you want any more, any makeup looks, any hairstyles, please let me know and I will be sure to do so. I have previously done some hair tutorials before. I've also done some makeup looks, so if you want, go and check those out. Recently though, I've been doing a lot of traveling and basically I've been doing a lot of travel vlogs. So if you guys would like to check them out, please do so. I will leave them linked down below or I will link them here on the screen right now. So please be sure to go and check them out as I have been having so much fun. So without further ado, let's get right on into this video. These hair extensions are the Foxy Lox 22" in the colour Latte Blonde. As you can see, I don't have blonde hair anymore, but what I did was dye them after I went brunette. I used this hair dye here to dye both my hair and the hair extensions, and I wanted to keep them without having to get new ones as they are on the pricey side. I don't know if you can tell throughout the video, but I do actually have highlights now, so I was really worried that it wouldn't blend anymore, but to my surprise, it literally looks so good. Just sectioning off the hair so I can get to the crown of my head, and once I have done that, I'm going to grab a smallish bobble, then tie that section up. So basically I've got like a tiny little ponytail. So once that is set, I then use my 4-clip extension and I start to clip that around my little ponytail. So I'm kind of going in a circular motion of how I am clipping them in, as you can see. It was quite hard to show the camera because I can't really see what I'm doing, but I hope you kind of get what I'm doing there. And then after that I got a 3-piece and just clipped that over the front of the 4-clip. I then took my 2-piece, and what I'm doing here is I'm actually just sectioning off a piece just in front of where I've clipped my 2 other pieces. Without this trying to sound too confusing, you can kind of see what I'm doing here, and with that little line that I've made in my hair, I'm going to clip in the 2-piece. I had made a little mistake, I must admit. I didn't realise that I had a 3-piece right in front of me, so I quickly just sectioned that part off again where I hit the 2-piece. And I'm basically going to clip that in front of where I've just put it. As you can see, I look a little bit like a 60s girl right now with a little beehive going off. And for my last single hair extension, I'm just going to clip over the front of the 2-piece, which shall add extra volume. Now I admit that this must be the hardest part, is actually putting the ponytail in, as there is quite a bit of hair and only a little bobble. It depends what you use, to be honest. I have a really thick bobble, but this time I use a basic one, and what I'm doing here is I'm just tying it up as normal. I've tried to hide as many clips as possible. And there you have it, a ponytail with full length and full volume. Then after that, I am going to pick up a hair mousse. Absolutely any mousse will do. But I've only just started using this, so I'm going to add a tiny little bit to my hand. And what I'm going to do is add it to any flyaways and just make sure my hair is pretty much slicked back. I've picked up a little hair roller here because I don't actually have a hairbrush to like slick back my baby hairs, so I kind of use a hair roller because they have the same vibe as like a flyaway hairbrush. So that's my little life hack there, and here I am just brushing back any more little flyaways. And last but not least, I'm going to add a bobby pin to anywhere I need it in my hair. Obviously, if you guys are doing this look too, you know where you need to put it. And now I'm just going to give it a little brush at the end to make sure it's nice and blended. And as you can see here, even with my highlights, it still matches the ponytail, which I'm so happy about because I do love these hair extensions. They are human hair, so I can put heat onto it and I can dye them, which is what I've done. I don't think you will be able to dye or add heat onto your synthetic hair extensions, so do keep that in mind.
She
So that does it for today's video, guys. Please remember again to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about it. Be sure to also check out all of my social medias. They will be down below in the description box, so if you guys want to go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, they will all be down below, so you can do just that. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.